Hi, dear audience. So today's presentation is about the IEEE conference, which is being held in Prince Muhammad University, Saudi Arabia. So the title of my presentation, as you can see, is a policy-driven and explainable risk regulatory framework for agentic AI in the perspective of the governance. Yeah. So I have a co-authors from Prince Muhammad University and National University of Science and Technology, Pakistan. So to introduce this topic, so we need to understand what is an agentic AI and what are the risks associated with it. So usually agentic AI is basically like doing automatic work through the agent space and and less manual interventions to be made. But these have sometimes risky and some like unexpected result might arise in that context, and it sometime it could be legal perspective as well. So lack of transparency and regulatory issues are are the vital here. So how to deal with this one? We need to be careful with the pattern as well as with the rules, regulation, and compliance. So we have tested some of the data sets in the different domains and with the different kinds of like algorithms. We have it in the context of machine learning. We have random forest and LSTM, and we also had a rule-based compliance and SHAP explainability. So the three different data sets for healthcare, finance, and autonomous systems in three different, and we use five-fold cross-validation for that one. These are the different sample sets. These are generated through synthetic data and with the comparison of the original small data sets. This is the basic framework that how this regulatory framework should be compliant with the finding of the risks which is associated with the agentic AI. So when these the inputs are done, so we get different kind of results, and based on this equation, this equation is based on the rule, which is RJ. RJ is about the rule, okay, and W is about the importance of each rule. So my all the calculation is based on this violations, probability of the violations, which is GX. So how we categorize the risks, it could be minimal risk with the zero coding, limited with the one coding, and two with high coding, and three with the unacceptable coding. So in a set we can write like that. We unlike normal machine learning, this is policies related features are very a different job, and you need to work with the compliance with the rules. We have rules with the EU rules. We have some are like unacceptable risks like social scoring, manipulating AI. Some are high risk like healthcare. Some are limited risk like chatbots. Okay, and some are minimal risk like spam filters. So the key point is risk is not only detected based on the data patterns, but also aligned with the regulatory definitions, such as we have EU AI Act as well and risk categories. So these are the different results in the three different domains of finance and automations, autonomous vehicles, and healthcare. And you can see the most elaborated, and you can see here that how these are spread, these the results are spread in a different variations, and synthetic data has been used over here. This is like some more graphs on that one. So the results show that the framework can reliably deliver clear, accurate, and policy-friendly risk assessment for the proposed framework. Key contribution of this paper is the real-time governance and explainable AI policy integration and cross-domain validations for that one. Recommendations to safely bring agentic AI into the real world, we need a few key steps like regulatory things should be brought into considerations in health, finance, and autonomous tech. Developers should build in policy checks from the start, and it's important for the people in tech and law and ethics to work together and more closely. So here I would like to conclude that the framework strength lies in a policy alignment, explainability, and modular governance capability rather than purely predictive performance. So thank you very much, and I hope you have enjoyed this short demonstration of the paper. Thank you.